Regret that recent game purchase on Epic Games? No worries, getting a refund is easier than you think, and this guide will show you exactly how. First, head over to the Epic Games Store website and sign into your account. Click on your profile icon. In the top right corner of the screen, a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, select Manage Account. This will take you to your account settings page on the left-hand side. Find and click on the Transaction History option. Here, you'll see a list of all your purchases. Locate the game you want to refund and click on the three dots next to it. A small menu will appear. Click on Request Refund. This will initiate the refund process for that specific game. You'll be presented with a refund request form. Select the reason for your refund request from the drop-down menu and provide any additional details in the text box if needed. Once you're done, click Submit Refund Request. And that's it. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your refund request has been submitted. Epic Games will review your request, and if approved, the refund will be credited back to your original payment method, usually within a few business days. Be sure to check the refund policy for eligibility. Happy gaming!